Hello everyone. In this video we will start with the question number 6, exercise 12.3, and the chapter is algebraic expressions. So question number 6 is simplify the expressions and find the value of x is equal to 2. So first we have question number 6, third part, 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. First of all, simplify this expression. We get 6x plus 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. Now 6x plus 5x is equal to 11x and then minus 10. Therefore 11x minus 10 be the simplified form of algebraic expression 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. Now we have to find the value of simplified form at x is equal to 2. So putting the value of x is equal to 2 here, we get at x is equal to 2, 11 into 2 minus 10. Now 11 into 2 is equal to 22 and then minus 10, which is equal to 12. Therefore 12 is the required value of the given algebraic expression at x is equal to 2. Next is fourth part. The given algebraic expression is 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Now simplify it. 4 into 2x, 8x, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, then plus 3x and then plus 11. Next, combine the like term, we get 8x plus 3x with the first group of like term and then minus 4 plus 11 with the other group of like terms. Now 8x plus 3x is equal to 11x, minus 4 plus 11 is 7. Therefore 11x plus 7 be the simplified form of the algebraic expression 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Now we have to find the value of 11x plus 7 at x is equal to 2. So putting the value of x is equal to 2 here, we get 11 into 2 plus 7. Now 11 into 2 is equal to 22 plus 7, which is further equal to 29. Therefore 29 be the required value of the given algebraic expression at x is equal to 2. Next is question number 7. Simplify these expressions and find their value if x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. So first we have question number 7, third part, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. First of all, combine the like terms, we get 3a minus 8a be the first group of like term and then 5 plus 1 be the second group of like term. Now 3a minus 8a is equal to minus 5a and then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So it becomes minus 5a plus 6. Therefore minus 5a plus 6 be the simplified form of algebraic expression 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Now find the value of minus 5a plus 6 at a is equal to minus 1. Therefore at a is equal to minus 1, we get minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. Now minus 5 into minus 1 is equal to 5 and then plus 6. Now 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Therefore 11 be the required value of the given algebraic expression. Next is fourth part. The given algebraic expression be 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Now first of all, combine the like terms, we get 10 minus 4 be the first group of like term and then minus 3b minus 5b be the second group of like term. Now 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 and minus 3b minus 5b is equal to minus 8b. Therefore it becomes 6 minus 8b. Therefore 6 minus 8b be the required simplified form of algebraic expression 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Now find the value of 6 minus 8b at b is equal to minus 2. Therefore at b is equal to minus 2, putting the value of b is equal to minus 2 here, we get 6 minus 8 into minus 2, which is equal to 6 minus 8 multiply minus 2 is equal to plus 16. So it becomes 6 plus 16, which is equal to 22. Therefore, 22 be the required value of given algebraic expression at b is equal to minus 2. Next is fifth part, 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Now, first of all, combine the like terms. We get 2a plus a with the first group of like term, minus 4 minus 5 with the second group of like term, and minus 2b is unlike term. So it will remain as it is. Now 2a plus a is equal to 3a, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, and then minus 2b. So it becomes 3a minus 9 minus 2b, which is required simplified form of algebraic expression 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Now find the value of 3a minus 9 minus 2b at a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. So at a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2, putting the value of a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2 in this algebraic expression, we get 3 into minus 1 minus 9 minus 2 into minus 2. Now 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then minus 9 minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So it becomes minus 3 minus 9 plus 4. Now minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12 and then plus 4. Now minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. Therefore, minus 8 be the required value of the given algebraic expression at a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Next is question number 8, first part. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. Now, putting the value of z is equal to 10 in the given algebraic expression, we get 10 cube minus 3 into 10 minus 10. Now 10 cube is equal to 1000 minus 3, 10 minus 10, 0, which is further equal to 1000 minus 3 into 0, 0. So it becomes 1000 minus 0, which is further equal to 1000. Therefore, value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10 at z is equal to 10 is 1000. Next is question number 8, second part. If p is equal to minus 10, find the value of algebraic expression p square minus 2p minus 100. So first of all, put the value of p is equal to minus 10 in the algebraic expression p square minus 2p minus 100. We get minus 10 square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. Now minus 10 square is equal to 100 and minus 2 multiply minus 10 is plus 20. So it becomes 100 plus 20 minus 100. Now 100 plus 20 is equal to 120 and then minus 100. Now 120 minus 100 is equal to 20. Therefore, 20 with the required value of algebraic expression p square minus 2p minus 100 at p is equal to minus 10. Next is question number 9. What should be the value of a if the value of the algebraic expression 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equal to 0? Since it is given that at x is equal to 0, value of algebraic expression, that is 2x square plus x minus a, is equal to 5. So putting the value of x is equal to 0 in this algebraic expression such that 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. Which further implies 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. Which further implies minus a is equal to 5. Which implies a is equal to minus 5. Hence, the required value of a is equal to minus 5. So this is the required answer. Next is question number 10. Simplify the expression 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. So first of all, simplify the algebraic expression 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Now multiply 2 by a square, we get 2a square and then multiply 2 by AB, we get 2 times AB and then plus 3 and then minus AB. Now combine the like terms, we get 2AB minus AB be the first group of like term and 2A square and plus 3 be the two unlike terms. So they will remain as it is. So it becomes 2AB minus AB plus 2A square plus 3. Now 2AB minus AB is equal to AB plus 2A square and then plus 3. Therefore AB plus 2A square plus 3 be the required simplified form of algebraic expression 2 into A square plus AB plus 3 minus AB. Now find the value of AB plus 2A square plus 3 when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3. So at A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3, putting the value of A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3 in this algebraic expression, we get 5 into minus 3 plus 2 into 5 square plus 3. Now 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 2 into 5 square 25, so it becomes minus 15 plus 2 into 25 plus 3, which is further equal to minus 15 plus 2 into 25 50 plus 3. So it becomes minus 15 plus 50 plus 3, which is equal to minus 15 plus 50 plus 3 53. So it becomes minus 15 plus 53, which is further equal to 38. Therefore 38 be the required value of algebraic expression 2 into A square plus AB plus 3 minus AB when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3.